so I want you to watch me and be mindful. Always remember, your focus determines your reality.
1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、
But what about the city of the day after tomorrow? Say the year 2000. I think it will be completely different. In fact, it may not even exist at all. Oh, I'm not thinking of the atom bomb and the next Stone Age. I'm thinking of the incredible breakthrough which has been made possible by developments in communications, particularly the transistor and, above all, the communications satellite. These things will make possible a world in which we can be in instant contact with each other, wherever we may be, where we can contact our friends anywhere on Earth, even if we don't know their actual...
But the scientific gains from the encounter are as rich as expected.
The darkness of the surface came as a slight surprise that it's darker than we anticipated.
Perhaps in the year 2061, this little boy will get a better view of the comet.
Well, on the contrary, that assumes that human beings have no feeling about what is right and wrong. Is the only reason you are virtuous because that's your ticket to heaven? Is the only reason you don't put your children to death because you don't want to go to hell? It seems to me that it's insulting to human beings to imply that only a system of rewards and punishments can keep you a decent human being.
Oh
about what is right and wrong. That's the only reason. It's the only reason you are virtuous, because that's your ticket to heaven.
I believe you are a rainbow. All the heaven I need to see. You're the promise, everlasting.